Hi guys, welcome back to Lion to Galaxy. Today we are going to be cooking, but we are going to actually cook. So, since I can't do it myself, I'm going to call my sister.
Hi guys, yes, I'm going to be helping her cook in the actual kitchen. But, are you curious about what we're going to cook today? Well, it's all our kids' favorite breakfast. What is it?
Waffles!
But it's not just any ordinary waffles, they are
marshmallow waffles.
Yes. Let's go to the kitchen. But before we go to the kitchen, I've got to tell you, I've got my mom right next to me helping me with steps that I can't do by myself. You guys can't cook this by yourself because you have to have a parent or a trusted guardian, because if you do it by yourself, you could get hurt. Let's go to the kitchen. So here we got all the ingredients we need. We're going to explain to you one by one what we need. First, we need a big bowl to mix all the ingredients. We need a 1 cup measuring. We need milk, 2 eggs, some all-purpose flour, 1 cup, some squished marshmallows, sugar, baking soda, Nutella or Hershey syrup for eating. Yes, eating. And then some butter spray. What spoons do we need, Delaney?
So we need 1 plastic black spoon and another big plastic black spoon that looks like this.
Yep, a spatula. And
we need a mixer to mix.
So, first we're going to measure 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We've already got the all-purpose flour over here. So, Delaney, can you put it inside our big bowl? There. We've got our all-purpose flour ready, but as you can see, we've got these little bits of all-purpose flour sticking on the sides, so we can scoop that off. There. Then we need another 1 cup, and you're going to need some milk. Maybe you can ask your parents for this part to help you pour some milk in the 1 cup. But I'm good because I've been pouring 1 cup milk. So I'm going to pour 1 cup, and I'm going to leave it a little bit before the tippy top. So then I'm going to go ahead and close my milk. And Delaney, can you pour our 1 cup milk? But you've got to be careful so you don't knock it over. And you've got to pour the milk in fast, or else you'll start getting lumps. Yes. Then, let's get your eggs. And you're going to use your spoon to crack open the egg. If you don't know how to open an egg, you can go ahead and call your parents. So we're going to pour in the egg. We'll put that in the corner. Then we're going to get our second egg. And then I'm going to crack it open again. There. If you made some mistakes, like all people do during the first time, like you dropped an eggshell, you can pick it up with your spoon, and then nothing will happen. Next, we're going to take Then I've got a pinch of baking soda, and I'm going to add that in. I'm also going to add some sugar. So this is how much sugar we need. I'm going to pour that in. Then we're also going to get some salt. We're going to add very little of salt though. There. batter. This is how much salt we need. Then you're gonna put that in too. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and kind of crush that lump. And then you're going to like pat on the egg so we can break the yolk in the middle. And you're going to lightly start stirring. So then you're going to mix it until you get this clean and smooth batter. But then you're gonna add the main ingredient, the marshmallows. Get like a few marshmallows that are kind of squished so they would go in easily. So then you can pour them into the bowl there. And then you're going to kind of mix that. Go ahead. So as you can see, the marshmallows are all in the batter. And this is the part where I'm going to call my mom. She's going to help me turn on the waffle maker so that it can preheat, and then I can pour the batter in. Mom? So the waffle maker is preheating, and you don't want to touch it right now because it's very hot. I think the waffle maker is probably very hot now, so I'm going to go ahead and get the butter spray, and I'm going to shake it a little bit, and I'm going to spray a little onto the pan before I start. There. I've got that done, so I'm going to go ahead and start pouring the waffle mix. You're going to make sure you only do 2 spoons so it doesn't overflow when the waffle is cooking. There, I poured 2 spoons and I'm going to lightly spread it around so it's all not in one place. Poured the waffle batter and I'm going to close it up. And in my waffle maker, if this light is going on, this means that the waffle is heating up and it's cooking. So as you can see, since the heat is, the waffle maker's top is kind of rising because the waffle is getting cooked. So there are little gaps starting to form in between, and air is coming out of it. You can see that the waffles, you can kind of see it because they're rising, and it's getting cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and see that it's kind of big, very big, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn the waffles around. I turned the waffles around, and now it looks like the waffles are ready, but before I get them out, I'm gonna kind of press it a little so the heat can still compress. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm gonna use my handy thingies so it's not too hot. So then I'm gonna kind of pinch the sides. And then she's gonna get the plate for me. Now I'm gonna put it there. We've got the perfect, crispy, and juicy waffle. You guys can eat it with honey, maple syrup, Hershey syrup, but we both prefer to eat it with Nutella. We put Nutella in the middle for squares, and we added a little marshmallow on top because they're marshmallow waffles. If you want more fun videos like this, go to my channel, the YMT Galaxy, click the subscribe button, and like all my videos. Bye!